I have a cable raceway. I have a 7-port USB. I have a giant cable sleeve. And a lot of adhesive. I know my hair is everywhere right now. But we're gonna deal with all this junk. Cable raceway, you already know. We got a sleeve coming for all these, so it'll just be one massive sleeve. And I also need to buy a display because it does not have enough length. And then I have a USB hub because this one doesn't have enough slack either. The Logitech camera, got that coming. And yeah, that's gonna be racing them all. All right, just a little update, you know. I got the hair figured out a little bit. Oh my God, hold up. So we got the hair figured out a little bit. This is what we got so far. We got adhesive on there, bam. These two, Google Home and my LEDs, gonna be plugged into that. Then after this sticks for a little bit, we're gonna put the raceway up there. I'll give you guys another update in a bit.
All right, I feel like this fucking video is everywhere right now. But we got our package. Okay? We have our cable sleeve and this thing right here. So we got our cable sleeve and our hub. So we have that still hung there. The hub's gonna go here. It's gonna power my camera. And then where's that fucking box? Ah, this thing right here. This thing also, we're doing an unboxing with this. Hold up. Should look good. But we have this right here. Open one side. Oh, bam. Yes, sir. The 10-foot cable sleeve. Massive. We can cut this to the 5 feet that we need. Or no, like, I think it's like a foot actually. Because this is 10. The middle's right there. Yeah, I need about a foot. Like that much. I don't know if you guys can see that. But I need about that much. And it said it was cuttable. And it's like sleeved all nice. I also need to look into getting those DisplayPort cables. So also need that. And yeah, we're on the road to making this shit the best fucking setup ever, bro. Let me know down in the comments if I should post this on to Setup Wars or, yeah, is it Setup Wars? Yeah, I want to do that. That would be sick. Okay, so, let me go over here. My hair, still a mess, it's hot. I'm gonna need some chips. Strawberry banana smoothie from McDonald's. But, we got further. Look at this. Bam. So, this is what the cables look like right now. So let's see. If I was like right here, if I was sitting on my floor, yeah, I could see it, right? But if I'm standing up and like crouched down even, like sitting on my bed. Yeah, there you go. Sitting on my bed makes sense. That's the view from my eyes right now. It's like at my nose, it's below my nose. The top of the GoPro is below my nose. That's what it looks like. But yeah, that's the progress for right now. But just gotta shove the LED light wire and the Google Home, and then I'm gonna wire the USB hub to this corner And then also move my SIM right there as well. And then have this wire that's off the desk to my Logitech going into the hub. It's the next day. I worked on it a little more. It's fucking finished, boys. Let's see, and the only problem right now, I think I said in the video as well, is that I need a new display port cable since that one's not long enough to route through the bottom and this stand. But this is what the back looks like right now. Instead of seeing all these wires, my Ethernet, the HDMI, the display, mouse, keyboard, headset, like every fucking USB that I use, it's just all in this sleeve. So instead of seeing a shit ton of wires, you just see one fat one, and then these two, because I routed it weird, but that's fine. It looks good still. And then this is what it looks like from the underside. Like if I'm sitting on my chair, or on my bed I meant. Move this. That's what that looks like. And then if you go lower is when you can start seeing the wires. Start seeing the wires a bit. And then when you really want to get into it, you can lay down and see that I have my SIM card reader. I mean, that's a good spot. It's whatever. I wanted it like over here, but that's fine. I'm not tripping over it. But yeah, that's the SIM card reader. These are the two power bricks for my monitors. This is my phone charger, right? That's going all the way over there. This is, what is this wire to? This is to my Logitech camera. So now it has enough slack to route through everything that I needed it to. And then, yeah, this is 7-port. It's hung up. And then, that's the power bank with my LEDs, my light that's up there, and my PC and my 2 monitors. That's everything that has. And then there's my Google right there. But yeah, and then everything's in this raceway. My Ethernet cable all the way over there. And then also for my Ethernet cable, I have this, because it was like, what, 10 feet? I didn't need it all. So I have this instead of a blue wire, just fine. Yeah, there's the PC, you know. Minimal wires. Probably got like some to clean up, like whatever that is. I think it's my headset. Just gonna tuck it. Yeah, there you go. But yeah, just that display port and I'll be fine. Gucci. But it looks so much nicer. I'll throw up some like before and after pictures right now. It really did change. Holy shit. But yeah. That's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. See y'all sexy asses in the next one.